Hi, I'm Danny with Antonyshyn Roofing, and I'm just going over a problem that we run into once in a while on job sites with poor ventilation. So we come across this a lot with older houses, anything older than 1970s, sometimes 1980s, but anything older than those years of homes. You're going to find that at the soffit, it's all blocked off by plywood. I don't know if you can see that here, but I'm moving the insulation out of the way and everything has plywood in it. And they've definitely topped up the insulation here with cellulose and blocked off all the airflow. So what we want to have is cold air entering the attic from the soffit that's supposed to be open, and then we want to have baffles in here which allow the air to travel over top of the insulation into the attic space. So what we're going to need to do here is either one of two ways: pull the soffit off at the bottom and cut the holes, or we could also remove this sheet of plywood here and use a skill saw to cut holes in the plywood soffit from above. Then lay our baffles in place and put new sheeting back down.